Hey yo, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Cryptocom coin or CRO token. If you guys have not been paying attention, in the past 24 hours CRO did have a small pullback after the news being released that Cryptocom Arena has been set up and has been renamed from Staples Center. There is more yet to come and there's a lot to talk about, but before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with CRO, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video so the YouTube algorithm pushes the video out to more people see the incredible side of CRO, they decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profit. So the next thing you can do is make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart, and I want to show you guys something very interesting that's been happening from the past 24 hours. So if you guys remember, on the 23rd of December, just before Christmas started, all of the market started recovering, and as we talked about yesterday, CRO token was the fastest growing out of the top 100. Now what's really good is this rally actually brought us all the way back up to 68 cents from down to 53, which is close to a 17-cent gain, and if we decide to look at percentage, that's close to 35% gain in just under 48 hours. Now after that, obviously there was some retail investors that decided to sell. As you can see, the sell orders started coming in more and more as time went on. Now as the time went on more, you can see that the sell orders actually decided to fade away and probably some limit buys decided to come in, and that's why we did have a small pullback. On the super trend though, we were still in a downtrend as we were not able to break through the 67 mark barrier. Now if you guys don't know, Staples Center has been renamed officially, which is obviously on the 25th of December. It was going to happen on Christmas Day. Christmas Day is gone. I'm pretty sure most of you guys would have had a good time, but as it was renamed, there was a big sell-off. You guys know in crypto, usually what happens is people like to buy on rumors and sell on news, and that is exactly the same trend that has followed in the CRO token. Soon as the news was revealed that Cryptocom Arena has been set up for people to use, obviously there was a lot of people that decided to sell. But what's crazy is this is such a big news, and seeing only a 4-cent fall down, which is not that big of a significant difference. It's probably like a 7% downfall, and then it is already starting to recover in the past 24 hours. This is really good for the CRO token as it is starting to level off close to 62 cents. As we do decide to actually make a more support level close to 62 cents, because you guys know the closest wasn't from this point on is close to 60 and 59 cents. We do not want to fall below that, as we want to make sure that we can create a new support close to 62 cents, and if we stay above this point, you know, once the news comes out, there is a small pullback because the sellers come in, and then over time what is going to happen is it will start climbing back up as the news is such a big thing. Now at this point, I just want to quickly talk to you guys about PRIMEXBT. If you guys are looking for a trading platform that is safe, secure, and your money will not be lost, this is the perfect place for you. You will be able to trade between 80 different markets at the same time. The orders are done very quickly, which is less than a millisecond, so you will not have to go through a lot of slippage. You can also earn good APY on your crypto if you do decide to store it inside of PRIMEXBT. You also notice that most of your crypto will be stored in a cold storage, so if there is a hacker that tries to take it, they will not have access to it. At the same time, the best feature is you can actually copy trades from the bigger traders that are making a lot of profit. If you do want to check out PRIMEXBT, the link will be in the description. It's a good site. If we even decide to look at the RSI indicator, it will give you a more detailed answer in terms of what is happening. You can see that right now we are in a very central zone, and we want to stay in the center for a couple of days before the end of this year. So the next 4 days, if we can just stay in the central zone, we will be able to pull it off when the new year starts. If we decide to look at the 4-hour chart, it will give you a more clearer idea. You can see on the 4-hour chart, even though we did have a big sell-off for 8 hours straight, it did not go below the 60-cent mark, which is obviously the strong support support, suggesting on the 4-hour chart we're still in an uptrend, and the uptrend will carry on. All you need to do is be patient. I know a lot of you guys want to take profit. It's okay to take some profit, but the best thing to do is just stake your token inside a CRO, and over time you will be receiving profit no matter what. Now, this article that was actually posted by Yahoo Finance, Crypto.com price predictions, how high will Staples Center name change to take on CRO. Now, they go on to talk about how this is going to have a huge impact on the normal currency, and at the same time a lot of normal public will start looking into crypto. What is crypto? And most likely, because they will be looking at Crypto.com and the name being such an easy thing to remember, this is going to have a huge impact on the users of Crypto.com, and at the same time they will come to find out, to get the best APY, to make sure we get the most out of Crypto.com, they need the coin, which is their personal token, which is obviously CRO. The volume on Crypto.com or Crypto.com coin on CoinMarketCap has not gone up significantly yet, but I feel like we just need to wait for 1 or 2 games to happen. And at the same time, you guys know Oscars in next month are going to be happening in Crypto.com arena, and that's going to bring in a lot of eyeballs. As you can see, it has been renamed, and this looks insane. This picture was taken so nicely, and you can see it is a big heading saying Crypto.com arena. So whenever this is going to go live and everything is going to happen around it, it is going to have a huge difference to the price. Now, there was some controversy between the CEO Chris of Crypto.com and CoinMarketCap. You can see Crypto.com CEO Chris accuses CoinMarketCap.com of arbitrarily reducing exchange ranking. So what they're talking about is, if you actually go onto CoinMarketCap at the moment and go into exchanges, if you guys remember, CoinMarketCap was actually, or Crypto.com was actually the second best rated when it came to exchanges, and obviously Binance was the first one. But if we decide to look now, CoinMarketCap, after Crypto.com was renamed from Staples Center, let's just say they put it down to 14th. We do not know the reason behind it, and that's why Chris is a little angry with the people at CoinMarketCap, as they're not giving a proper reason in terms of why this actually occurred. Now, the trading volume is still really high inside of Crypto.com exchange. It's much higher than most of the competitors which are above it. I mean, I understand if it goes down to top 10, but like 14th, that's a big down. So I don't understand why they removed the exchange score for Crypto.com so much after the big listing and also the big rename was done. Now, talking about something else which is crazy for CRO holders is altcoin whales are accumulating Uniswap and Crypto.com through the dip. And this is actually just today posted. I mean, whales are accumulating Uniswap. Uniswap's doing really good, and at the same time CRO. Increasing accumulation by whale addresses is considered bullish for the altcoin's price. Analysts have predicted a rally in Uniswap and Crypto.com tokens that will be coming in very soon. Personally, I will be not surprised if CRO by the end of January will be around the $1 market, because that just seems like the more reasonable price for CRO. It just does not seem to be around 60. That's just my personal opinion. And finally, I want to show you guys the price prediction. The price prediction right now still is in the next couple of hours is going to be in the buy zone, and at the same time the indicators are suggesting a negative outcome, but overall everything is pretty steady, and in the technical terms it is on a very strong buy. But out of the way, thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.